How do we fix a buzzing string? A string buzz is a rattling and annoying sound that happens when a string vibrates against something solid. For example, this perfectly normal sounding string would buzz if I put my nail against it. First off, to deal with a string buzz, we look along the length of the string to see if there's anything touching it. Sometimes it may be as simple as a button on our clothing, or something on the pillow we put our lyre on when we play, or a forgotten tuning wrench being left on the pin after tuning. To fix the problem, we simply remove the obstruction. But there are times when we don't see any obvious culprits. In these cases, the issue is likely coming from either the tuning pin or the bridge. Or if your lyre doesn't have a bridge, the place where the string goes back in the wood. Because these are the only places where something could be touching the strings and causing a buzz. Remember, buzzing is a result of a vibrating string hitting something solid. In my experience, for the majority of cases, the cause was right here by the tuning pin. What happens is the string, when it vibrates, ends up hitting its own winding at the tuning pin. The solution is to loosen the string just a bit and then retighten it. Use a tuner to ensure the string gets back to the correct pitch. If it doesn't work for you on the first attempt, try again. You can also use your finger to very gently guide the string to keep it from touching the winding as you're tightening it back up. In rare cases, the buzz could come from the bridge or the end of the string. I personally have not encountered these issues before, so if loosening and retightening the string at the tuning pin doesn't resolve the buzz, those would be the next areas to investigate. And there you go. I hope this fixes the problem for you.